Hey there. Today, we're going to look at how to use FPS Unlocker for Roblox. So let's get started. First, open any internet browser, for example Chrome, and go to a search engine like Google. Search for Roblox FPS Unlocker. Make sure to find the official site from GitHub. Click on it and download the latest version under the Assets section. If your browser shows a warning, click the arrow and choose Keep. Once downloaded, move the zip file to a new folder and extract it. Inside, double-click on the RBX FPS Unlocker application. If Windows shows a security warning, click More Info, then Run Anyway. If the folder appears empty, your antivirus may be blocking it. Disable the antivirus temporarily if needed. It's safe when downloaded from the official GitHub. Once launched, the application will open a terminal and check for updates. Keep the file on your desktop and double-click it whenever you start your computer. To confirm it's running, check the hidden icons in your taskbar, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.